Welcome to Computer Skills for Healthcare Professionals. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT in occupational therapy. A special thanks to App of the Day for providing the inspiration to make this video. I do recommend that you subscribe to App of the Day as there are some amazing videos on that channel. In App of the Day's video, you will find this formula. It is this formula that we will be testing today. For those of you who do not know, it really matters how you type your prompts in ChatGPT. If you type your prompts incorrectly, or if you type your prompts in a way that is not structured enough, you will not get the desired output. So, when typing prompts, you will need to specify the content, the specific information, the intent, and the output format. Let's put that formula to use. So, content, I'm an occupational therapist. Specific, I'm working on a homework program for children with ADHD. This program will be implemented by parents of the children. Intent, can you generate therapeutic handling principles based on research and evidence-based practice? Output format, the output should be in the format of a bulleted list. Let's go to ChatGPT to investigate the output. I'm going to copy and paste this into Microsoft Word. Okay, let's investigate these outputs from ChatGPT. Provide a structured and organized environment. The first one there, I agree with it. The workspace at home should be free from distractions. The next one, break tasks into manageable chunks. I would say this is for mastery. I agree with the second one there. Use positive reinforcement and rewards. This is to promote confidence, I would say, so I agree with that one. Incorporate movement and physical activity. This is something that I would probably do. I would adjust the seating. Next one, implement a predictable routine. I would say this is to provide safety, provide clear and concise instructions. This is to avoid vague goals. That's a good one. Teach and practice self-regulation strategies. I would say this is to reduce anxiety, so that's a good one. Collaborate with parents. And this is just a simple basic OT principle, that we collaborate with parents on these issues. Okay, so that's fairly good. I would probably not use these ones as they are, but it's a good start, and I think this can make your work a lot easier. Let's see if ChatGPT can provide us with some pictures to go along with the principles. Unfortunately, it cannot. But what it did do here is that it gave us descriptions of pictures that will work. So what I would suggest is that you go to Pixabay, use these generated descriptions and look for pictures. Okay, so I think this picture might work. It's a picture of a child facing the wall. This is something that will actually work for a child with ADHD. So let's download and copy this picture. In the next example, I did the following. The prompt that I used was as follows. I'm an occupational therapist who works in mental health. I want to create a discharge program for patients who suffer from substance abuse. Can you generate a list of headings for this program? As you can see, ChatGPT did not exactly generate the output that I wanted, but with some follow-up prompts, I really got a good result. The prompts that I used as follow-ups were, can you shorten the list to 5 items, and now include 3 bullets under each heading. This is the final list. Again, I would say that ChatGPT does not take over my job as an OT, but it does some of the heavy lifting. It does help to get me started on a project. My suggestion is that you take the output that ChatGPT generates and then insert your own comments. Thank you for watching. Here's a summary of my conclusions.
If you would like to be notified of upcoming videos, click the subscribe button and bell notification.